My beloved child, listen to this voice that has been sent to you from beyond the veil, from the throne of the Eternal One, from the depths of heaven where love never sleeps and truth never fades. You were not led here by chance, for your soul was guided by divine hands to receive this message in this very moment. Every beat of your heart has been watched over, every tear you cried in secret has been counted, and every longing that you have buried deep inside has been heard louder than thunder in the halls of heaven. God has seen your struggle, the silent battles you thought no one noticed, the prayers you whispered with trembling lips, the nights you laid awake hoping someone, somewhere, would send a sign, a word, a miracle. This is that moment. This is that miracle. This is that word, born not of man but breathed from the breath of God and spoken to you through the voice of light. God says, you are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. You are not a mistake. You are not behind. You are not too late. You are not invisible to the eyes of heaven. You are the child for whom angels have been dispatched. You are the one for whom the heavens have opened today. You are the reason this message is flowing like a river, because God's love for you cannot and will not be silent any longer. God says, I saw you when you almost gave up. I was beside you when you felt nothing left to hold on to. I saw when you smiled but were breaking inside. I heard you scream in your thoughts when no sound escaped your mouth. I have come to rescue you from the pit, from the storm, from the fear, from the pain, from the lies, from the cycle, from the guilt, from the shame, from the patterns that keep repeating. There is an end to your wilderness. There is light breaking through your dark. There is healing flowing through your body. There is restoration coming to your soul. There is divine intervention on the way. You may not see it with your eyes yet, but heaven is already moving. Angels are already dispatched. Doors are opening in realms you cannot imagine. I have not forgotten your name. I have written your name on the palm of my hand. You are mine. You were always mine. And nothing, no force, no mistake, no failure, no delay, can change that. Today is the day I mark for you. Today is the day your spirit awakens. Today is the day the lies fall off like chains. Today is the day your soul remembers the truth. You are loved more than you will ever understand. You are chosen. You are appointed. You are surrounded by glory even when you feel surrounded by chaos. The enemy wanted you to doubt. He wanted you to quit. He wanted to convince you nothing would change. But he has failed. He failed because you didn't quit. You didn't turn away. Even in your weakness, you reached out. And that was enough. That was the key. That was the call heaven was waiting for. And now, I answer. Now I send legions of light to encircle you. Now I send divine signs to confirm what you're feeling in your spirit is not madness but truth. You are not cursed. You are not broken beyond repair. You are not what they said about you. You are what I say about you. And I say you are holy. I say you are redeemed. I say you are precious. I say you are free. You may feel like the battle has been endless, but I tell you, a new chapter begins now. Not tomorrow. Not next year. Now. I am bringing justice for what was stolen. I am restoring the years the locusts devoured. I am breathing new breath into old dreams. I am resurrecting the hopes you buried. I am rewriting what the enemy tried to write over your story. And I do not lie. I am not man. I do not speak words only to watch them fail. When I speak, the universe moves. When I declare, all creation obeys. And I have declared you will rise. I have declared you will overcome. I have declared you will shine. The time has come. There will be sudden turnarounds. There will be divine interruptions. There will be miracles in moments you least expect. I will show up in the middle of your routine. I will interrupt the ordinary with the supernatural. I will whisper answers in your sleep. I will send messengers in strange places. I will cause those who rejected you to watch as I elevate you. I will silence the lies with undeniable truth. I will heal what doctors said was impossible. I will restore what people said was lost forever. I will replace what the enemy stole with treasures greater than before. You are not too far gone. You are not disqualified. I specialize in turning ashes into beauty. I delight in using the rejected to build my kingdom. You are the one I chose to pour this into because I know your heart still burns for something more. And that flame, though small, is enough for me to work with. You feel small, but with me you are mighty. You feel forgotten, but you are heaven's priority. You feel like you're in the shadows, but I have prepared a stage where my glory will shine through your life. You may not feel worthy, but my love has already declared you worthy. My child, today is a divine setup. This message found you not by accident, but by destiny. You were drawn here because your soul recognized the voice of its creator. And I say to you now, prepare. Prepare for good news. Prepare for answers. Prepare for divine reversal. Prepare for blessings so big you'll wonder if it's real. Prepare to be surprised by my goodness. Prepare to be overwhelmed by my favor. Prepare to laugh again. Prepare to love again. Prepare to hope again. Prepare to live again. This is not the end. This is the rebirth. This is your sign. This is your confirmation. This is your moment. Do not harden your heart. Do not brush this away. You have prayed for a sign, and this is it. Archangel Michael has stood guard over your home. He has battled in the spirit for your breakthrough. He has cleared the path, and today he declares, the battle is won. The curse is broken. The chain is shattered. The blockages are removed. The fear is silenced. The depression is lifting. The light is coming. God's word is final. The blessing is permanent. What is meant for you will not be taken. What has your name on it is arriving. What was delayed is being released. And what is unfolding next will be so beautiful, so divinely orchestrated, that you'll fall to your knees and weep, not in sorrow, but in joy. You will say, God, you really remembered me. Yes, I did. I always did. I was waiting for the perfect moment to flood your life with the answer you didn't even know how to ask for. And now it is here. Keep trusting. Keep expecting. Keep standing. Because heaven is not finished. I am not finished. The best part of your story is about to begin.